Okay, so right now we're looking at June versus August hogs, and this is a spread I put on little over a week ago, and I blew out of it that very Monday after I put it on. I put it on Friday at around 220 and 260. I put it on the close when people were blowing out. I was like, oh, this is an excellent spread. These guys are just puking. They're idiots. They have no idea what they're talking about. Maybe it's because it made, a new high that these guys are getting in. I'm like, I'm getting the greatest price ever. I'm going to make a fortune. Well, Monday happened, and as you can see, I was completely wrong. And the spread went all the way up to 440. I got out, luckily, at 330 on a leg. I bought back the Junes outright, and then I sold the August while everything was rallying, so I was able to leg myself out at 330, but it was still a disaster. I lost $4,000 in that trade, and it was just ugly. One of my friends actually put up almost the near high. He bought 430 and 420, scrambling out of that spread, and cost him 10 G's. And look what happened. My friend finally blows out, and the spread comes back. Each day it's been coming back. But what's crazy is it just traded 220, a couple days ago, and then the last day, not last day, yesterday on Friday, sorry, it made a high of 387. So the spread's still very volatile, but I think a reasonable price for it would be even. So all the way down here, I think it's just a matter of time before the spread comes back, and I'm interested in putting it on again. If it makes new lows, if it gets past this 220 area, I'll pile on the June shorts again and get long the August. I probably won't do as many contracts just because trading that far back, there's nobody back there. Volume's really thin, so it's a little more dangerous. And that's part of the reason why I had such a big blow-up day. Everybody was loaded up, and they were all wrong. And that's why the spread blew up in our face. Someone made a fortune, but I know a lot of people that lost a lot on that day. But the other thing is with the spread is the Goldman rolls coming up, so that'll be very beneficial because the funds will come in and they'll start moving positions further and further back, and that should help the spread out just a little bit. So I'm looking to put it on. If it gets up to 220 tomorrow, I'll probably put on 3 or 4 contracts because I really feel that it's fair value somewhere down this region, maybe between dollar and even. So I mean that's still a big slice of the pie to be made, getting from here to there. I'd be more than happy with that. That's it for now. It's kind of a new thing, so we'll see how often I do this, but it seems pretty simple. I'm just trying to get myself familiar with the software. Alright, see you guys later.